Hi, good morning. This video recorded on October 16th morning at 8:42 a.m. What will be the Nifty futures trade setup for October 16th, 2023? We are going to check this one levels. As per this one, actually on Friday it closed at 19,742. Actually, in order to get today's trend, the candle not formed yet, we have to check Friday's candle. Friday's candle indicated downtrend. Okay, what are the levels to watch out? Actually, range will be between 19,670 to 19,834 on upper side. These are the levels to watch for today's trading. Okay, and this one, suppose 19,670 is broken, then 19,567 is possible. Like that, this one technicals, daily technicals indicating. In weekly chart, actually I have explained. Now this one I already posted on video on yesterday. This 19,834 first resistance on upper side. Then second resistance will be 19,884. That will stop the uptrend like that. But once it crossed, then 20,228 like that. That will be the upper target like that. Those are the levels to watch. If any this one deviations are there, I will update during trading hours. And this one on downside weekly chart, this one 19,670 is broken, means today it is indicating 19,567, but weekly front 180 to 180 points fall will be there from 19,000 this one 19,742 like that, and this one 19,670, then around 19,488 like that, thereafter 19,363 on downside as per weekly charts. Okay, now let us check global cues. Global cues, let us see. Gift Nifty trading flat to negative. Then US stock futures trading higher during Sunday's evening deals. Then during Friday's regular trade, Dow Jones Industrial Average added 39.2 points. S&P 500 lost to 21.8 points. Then Nasdaq dipped 167 points. Then bond markets, US 10-year rates were at 4.612%. Then most Asian markets coming down because Israel Hamas war. Then Japan's Nikkei index leading losses because key inflation data this week. Japanese key inflation data. Oil prices fell in Asian trade on Monday because of Israel-Hamas war and a lot of Asian economic cues this week. Then actually Hamas and this one Israel conflict may cause any disruptions in supply from the world biggest oil producing nation like that. But this was somewhat offset by signs of cooling US demand and higher production. Then this one Israel Prime Minister, this one he was telling demolish Hamas like that, but this one US President Joe Biden said any Israeli occupation of the Gaza Strip would be a big mistake, although he still called the termination of Hamas a necessary requirement like that. Then this one Middle East region, any this one will support to oil prices like that because Iran, fifth largest producer of oil. Then China data to watch. China's third quarter GDP data due later this week. Then People Bank of China interest rate decision due this week. That is also this one important data. Then US more insight into crude stockpiles is awaited this week. Then Indian data last week showed consumer inflation eased in September. Wholesale inflation data from India is due later on Monday. That is on today. Then Fed Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell is to speak while economic data and data out of China and the UK will be closely watched. Friday, good results from JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, and Citigroup. That is good results. Then US retail sales figures for September due on Tuesday. Then India's foreign exchange reserves declined for a fifth straight week. Then foreign investors pulled out nearly 9,800 crores from Indian equities. Then the dollar was on the front foot on Monday in cautious trade. Then the Israeli shekel fell to more than an 8-year low. Then Fed officials prepared to extend a rate pause without saying hikes are done like that. These are the local and the global cues. Now I have given the this one trend for daily. This one today trend is down, but the weekly chart showing uptrend like that. Weekly chart I have given outlook on yesterday's video. I have given the levels for daily. I have given the levels for weekly. Trade accordingly. All the best.